Here's a quick walkthrough on how to use route planning on the Voze mobile app. Under the More button, you have this Maps option. If you click on Map, you'll see a map of your companies as blue pins that are known to you. To gain access to the directions section, there's this icon here with the car. That is our route planning icon. If you tap that, you'll see that there are, in this case, pre-existing routes. So I've created a Monday route. And in this route, there are 4 companies in here, and we show the average distance as well as the estimated drive time based on the location of those companies. These routes are editable. You can create any number of routes. You can remove, delete, and edit these routes. And you can also create new routes by clicking this plus button here and giving it a name. And then you can basically add companies to that route. So in this example, we're going to go ahead and click on this Monday route that pre-exists. And you can see here that there are 4 companies in this route. If you want to see visually where those companies are located, if you click on the map, you'll see here this blue pin. This represents where I am currently. And each of these pins represent the location of the companies that are in my Monday route, as well as directions to those. To access and start to actually drive to the first destination, which I'm going to say is this here, is we click on this pin. Once we click on this pin, it's going to bring up the company that is on the list. And then if you click this directions icon, it will open up your default route planning tool, and it will basically allow you to get directions from where you currently are to that location. So if I click there, you can see that it's using your default direction tool to get directions from your current location to that first location. Once you arrive at that location, you can click back to Voze, and then you can click on the next step, and then you can click on the next pin, and then you can click on directions, and then now you can go to that next location. Clicking back on Voze, you can basically lather, rinse, repeat. So you go through the same process to go through your Monday route. Another quick option is if you don't want to use routes, but you just want simple directions to specific company locations. If you go down to the navigation here and you click companies and you pick a company, you'll see here the same directions icon exists where I can get directions by tapping that and then tapping on directions, and then it will open up your default map setting again and allow you to now use your maps tool to get to the location you're trying to get to.